Students, through this recorded video of mine, today you will learn how to prepare an analytical paragraph with the word limit of 100 to 150 words. Okay, it is a quite easy topic, and previously also, students, it used to be in the syllabus of 9th class in the name of data interpretation. Previously, its name used to be data interpretation. Okay, but now its name is analytical paragraph. So now I will tell you how to make this composition in an impressive way. Actually, here I want to discuss two things about analytical paragraphs. The first thing is, an analytical paragraph is a form of descriptive writing which is written on the basis of a given chart, graph, data, table, etc. Means such things will be given there in the question and you have to describe in your own words. Okay, while you are making this composition, you have to describe the details which are given in the question. Okay, and the second thing I want to discuss here is an analytical paragraph can be divided into three parts. Okay, you can divide your analytical paragraph into three parts. The first one is for introduction. Here you have to give a brief introduction in 2 or 3 lines. Okay, and the second paragraph will be for body of the paragraph. Here you have to explain in detail the things which are there in the chart. Okay, and the third paragraph is for conclusion. Here you have to come up with overall view or the summary of the paragraph. So this is how you are supposed to prepare your analytical paragraph. So here for your help a question is given. The pie chart shows the proportion of people from different households living in poverty in the UK in 2002. Write an analytical paragraph to describe the information in 100 to 120 words. So here are the proportions of categories of families shown color wise in the pie chart. Okay, and as you can see, the largest proportion is 26% of single aged persons. 26% of single aged persons, and the second largest proportion is 24% of single without children. So here everything is given in this pie chart. Okay, and you have to describe these things in your own words. So now let's read its answer. The given pie chart illustrates 7 different categories of households living in poverty in the UK in 2002. So this first paragraph is for introduction, and here you have to give a brief introduction in 2 or 3 lines. So we have done it. Then second paragraph starts. It is clearly evident from the pie chart that 26% of the total poverty stricken households are those of sole parents. Single people without children account for the second highest proportion with 24%, in contrast to couples without children that accounts for just 9%. Couples with children account for 15% of the poor households, and single aged persons and aged couples proportion for 12% together for poor households. So here we have explained in detail the things which are shown here in this chart, and the last paragraph is for conclusion. Here we have to just show our view or the overall summary of the analytical paragraph. So overall 14% of all households in the UK were living under poverty. The younger generation had a greater poor percentage than their aged counterparts. Couples without children had better economic conditions than those with children. So this is how you are supposed to prepare the analytical paragraphs. Hope you all have understood, since it is simple enough.